Tell me something about yourself.
Hi, my name is Mahir. I'm from Tiruchirappalli, India. I did my school in Seventh Adventist Matriculation High Secondary School, and I did my BE Computer Science in ME College of Computer Engineering, Tiruchirappalli. I have 4 years experience in system support, and I have good sound knowledge in operating systems, troubleshooting network, system administration, optimization, hardware and software applications. My last project involves around mainly around Active Directory, where we handle all the documentation, and we should make the documentation and store the documentation and make sure the files are stored safely. And in our last project, uh, we make sure who access who, who gets what access, and we give permissions to the users.
Okay. Okay,
And
got it.
I have good knowledge in software installations.
Okay, Mohammed. Mohammed, could you please elaborate about the operating system?
Yes, operating system is an OS which is used to communicate between the hardware of of the computers, and OS is famously known for Windows, and Windows is used worldwide. It is the most popular OS in in the world, and Windows 11.
Yeah, go ahead.
And the latest version is the version 2025, and comparatively most used OS is Windows,
Okay.
and many other examples are we have Linux OS, Mac OS, and iOS, Android. These are the various examples of OS operating system.
Okay. Why is essentially needed the operating system?
Okay, we have different components in a computer, right? To make sure these components communicate and do the job specifics that we give to the computer, we need a OS. We need an operating system for that to happen,
Okay.
and it makes the user interface easier. And more unlike Linux, Windows graphical graphical interface is easier to work with.
In companies, there are plenty of problems are coming and going out that the people who are handling the plenty of issues. So think I hope you don't have any experience, right? 1 year of experience, right? Yeah.
Yes, I
In
have.
this, yeah, in 1 year, so how much you face the issues, and as well as what is the major issue you faced, and it is I am good. I am the very techie. So when you feel this,
Okay. The major issue that faced in the company is server shutdown. That is power basically went out, generator went out, and then restarted. When the system restarted, the server restarted, nothing was working.
okay,
We tried multiple uh, 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 different solutions. We tried multiple steps to make sure all the uh, systems or units to connect to the domain and share the Active Directory, but nothing was working out. But eventually, what we find out was we should just we went to command prompt, and we give the command IP release and IP catch. That's the two basic commands, and then everything started working. Every system was connected to the domain, and everyone could use the Active Directory. That's the major issue that we faced, and around 2 hours maybe nothing was working, and then with these two simple steps, everything was working again.
okay. For the same issue, how you are handling the documentation?
Okay, documentation, when the users get the documents ready and give the give give the digital files to the user in an IT department. The IT department staff make sure gets the uh, digital copy in one single folder, and then uh, shares those files or places those files in specific folders so that the documentation will be easier.
Okay. Okay. Any ticketing tools are used in the previous company?
Previous company, we didn't use any ticketing tool because the organization only had 20 people, so we just raised the issues directly to the 80 staff members, and we will come to the system directly.
Okay,
They'll just give
then
us a call.
how will you manage the, for example, 20 people's every day that is not possible to got an issue from those 20 people's. I understand, but eventually that isn't possible to get an issue from 10 issues, 20 issues, 30 issues simultaneously from the same user or the same team. You may get multiple amounts of issues. So how will you manage without any ticketing tool?
Yes, we didn't use any ticketing tools, but I am actually trained on ticketing tools, so uh, we can
I'm not asking.
easily.
I'm not asking about you have an training. You have visited any ticketing tool. That I'm not asking about this. So basically, there isn't 20 people. Eventually, you get more complaints in a single day. For example, 10 issues in single day. These 10 issues are taking time. Okay, for solve one by one.
Yes.
So how will you manage with the 10 issues in a single day? I'm done sure.
If there are
Sorry to interrupt. I'm done sure. In an 1 year, eventually you get any one day surely for 10 or 15 tickets in a day. Not
Yes,
every day, but
definitely.
1 or 2 days you may get. So how you managed this without any ticketing tool?
Yes. Uh, I definitely got maybe more than 8 to 10 issues a day. That's a random day. And what we did is we prioritized the issues. We made sure increase the priority for the issues, and we categorized the issues, and we gave priority to the high risk job. So if a system is not working, that gets the first priority. Maybe if a software is not working, that also gets a high priority. But system not working, that's high priority than software not working. And then lastly, maybe most malfunction or keyboard malfunction. Uh, that's a simple issue. It takes less than 2 minutes, but still, well, if the system is not working, we should give a high priority for that.
Okay,
That's how we.
I got your point. And say the one more question is how much you love the IT work environment, because every day you need to see plenty of people. Every day you need to see plenty of issues. Every day you need to see plenty of tasks from the TL or a manager. So how will you love this?
Uh, yeah, I love this job because it's an interesting job. Every day we used to face different issues, like it's every day it's learning day. And yeah, I loved it because each day there'll be different issues, and there will be different solutions for that specific issue. And when I get to learn these solutions for different issues, I'm excited to work. And because I have a good team members with me, we have good knowledge transfer between us. So we used to share simple ideas to make sure that the everyday process goes smoothly. And yeah, that's why I love this job, because yeah.
Okay, Magir, I am done with an interview, and our HR team will call you soon. Thank you so much for a
Thank
wonderful time. Thank you so much.